back. We're leaving April behind for some reason. Okay, everyone, follow! We're going up there! This is the way up! We're going up there, that's the way up! Okay.
I think I can swim anymore.
Don't worry. You're a shark. I like how Maury's doing, by the way. I am proud. So guys, what we're basically doing is we're going up to that. You guys see that ladder up there? We climb that. And I'll wait for you guys at the top. Doggy paddle.
Basil's okay. Basil is fine.
Don't worry, Basil. You can do this. I believe in you. You can't climb up the ladder. Come on. You guys can do this. Just follow my lead, okay? Guys, quick!
Dirty.
Hold on! Okay, come on, we're going this way. When I say run, we run for our lives. Everyone stick behind me, okay?
End up here.
Just follow my lead, you'll be fine.
Why did we end up here?
I don't know, just come on, trust me. I'll wait for you guys to go. Okay, when I say run, now run, go! Up there! Woo! This is the way out! It's the way out! Upstairs!
Where's
Up
Amori?
here!
Where's Amori?
Amori, this is the way out! Come on, we gotta get out of here! Come on! Let's go, brother! We can do this!
I know Amori's this scared, but I didn't think he was this scared.
I feel bad for him!
She wants to get out of here. That's what she wants.
And we escaped! Woo! Okay, everyone say bye to the video! Alright guys, and that was like the end of the video. Everybody say bye!
Bye!
And we will see you in the next one.